Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. You ever want to know what the weather is without having to grab your phone or turn on the TV? Well, I recently was contacted by a company to review their home weather station, and I'm going to bring you along. Let's go. So we're back inside the home, and we have the smart weather station out of the box. This is what we have. Transmitter, electrical cord, manuals and directions, and the station itself. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up where I would like for it to be. And then we're going to program it and show you how it works. So here is the final installation of the weather station. On the top, the sensor is detecting the temperature inside, and the bottom is detecting the temperature on the outside. Inside, it is currently 82.7, and on the outside, it's 77.4. It's also showing the dew points and other material like that. When you set it up, you can set it up for Celsius or Fahrenheit, and since we're in the United States, I set it up for Fahrenheit. On the top left, you have the today's date, you have the time, the date, and the moon phase. You also have the forecast in the middle, and down at the bottom, you have the air pressure, 29.92 millibars. So as I said before, this is your personal weather station. You can carry it outside with you and all. The weather station itself connects to your Wi-Fi via Bluetooth, or you can do it via the weather station's personal Wi-Fi through your phone, or it can connect via Bluetooth. It's easier to go ahead and connect it via Bluetooth because Bluetooth has more parameters and access points where it can reach rather than your home Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi that comes with the weather station itself. You have your instruction manual here. You have a quick setup guide here, and then you have another user manual. Now, overall, I think it's going to be pretty good for me. I can just get up in the mornings and look at the station to see what the weather is going to be like outside, and I don't have to worry about being outside and getting caught in rain or anything like that. So if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave a link for them, for the company and for the item in the bottom of the comment portion and also in the description portion of the video, and I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like it, your family and friends will also. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.